Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you had a great weekend, and hope you're having a decent start of this week as well. Because the markets are not having a great start of this week. I mean, if we zoom out a bit here on Bitcoin, which is what we'll be talking about, of course, but we'll talk about the market a little bit as well. But what you can see is that first of all, the weekend and then Friday was very volatile. Then overnight we had a bit of a bull trap, bit of a short liquidation spike. And after that, we've been quite bearish. We've dropped down all the way to 92,800 for a lot of altcoins. The situation is much worse because the Bitcoin dominance has been quite strong. So a lot of you looking at your altcoin portfolios might be thinking, oh, you know, the market is ending. The bull market is over. And I don't agree with that. I mean, it is a possibility, and we'll talk about that later in this video as well. It is a possibility that we go lower. But for now, the structure for Bitcoin is still holding, all right? The structure, as I've said, that the structure was for Bitcoin for the last weeks, is this range between 92,000 and let's say 100,000, a little bit higher, a little bit lower sometimes, but that area. And at this point of time, even though we've been relatively bearish, this is not against expectations. Yesterday I talked a lot about that I expect us to still break above 95,000 and for Bitcoin to head into 98 and 99,000. I still think that is the most likely scenario, and that might sound a little bit controversial because everybody and their mother is calling for a drop into this next level at 89 and 87,000, and I think that's a possibility as well. And personally, I'm prepared for that as well. But if I take a look at Bitcoin right now, we still have a bit of a buffer. It is a possibility, and that is very often what you see, that we spike down lower than 92,000. But at this point of time, I still do think that 92,000 as a whole, as an area, will hold. And the reason for that is quite simple, and that is that if you take a look at all of the fundamentals here, so the USDT dominance, it's at resistance. The dollar strength index, it's at resistance. All the stock markets are at support levels. S&P 500 pre-market is trading quite a bit lower. That's also one of the reasons why why Bitcoin and the markets are bearish right now. But all of them are at strong support levels, and I don't really see a reason. Obviously, you can always come up with reasons why those levels would not hold, but at this point of time, I don't see a reason good enough for me to expect that these levels at this point of time will break, all right? Because if they break, if the dollar strength index breaks above resistance now, and if the stock markets break through support, then it's clear, and then Bitcoin is going to drop down below 92,000 and will drop down into 89, 87,000 easily. So that's certainly a possibility, all right? And that's also what I mean with, like, I am prepared. Like, if the stock markets do not bounce today or tomorrow, and if the dollar strength index stays strong like it has been, which I think is one of the main causes of this bearish pressure. There's always multiple causes. So if you're going to comment now, no, I think this is the cause. Yeah, you're probably right as well. It probably plays a part. But at this point of time, I think that's one of the major reasons why we are bearish like this. And we had some positive US data over the last week, so it's completely normal that it's bullish, but I don't see a reason why it has to be more bullish today, right? We have inflation rate data on Wednesday. We still have to kind of see what that will be, and outside of that, there's no new data. And outside of that, Mondays, especially for crypto, are usually also quite a bit volatile, and very often the move that you get in the morning gets reversed in the afternoon. So all of that, including the support that we still have, makes me believe that at least for now we will be able to hold this level. Now, I always say 95,000 is kind of the level I need to see us break above to confirm that we're going up to 99 and 100,000 again into this top of the range. That is, I'll keep you updated on that. I'll be back with a market update later today, because that seems quite hard, but at least holding 92, 91,000, that area, and staying between 95 and 91,000 still seems most likely to me. But I'll keep you updated on that. That's what I think you need to know for now. And yeah, I'll be back. So have a great day, have a great rest of your week, and bye.